related to the situational based things.
Yeah. Now that is the
So
trend.
I am very much scared that what is this going on, and the also the duration of the interview also have been decreased from like 30 minutes to 15 and 10 minute slots.
Yeah, only 10 minutes. And
Yeah.
they only want the candidates to have good communication ability. They are
Okay.
earlier they were more keen about candidate knowing about the banking and all. But now that trend has gone. Yeah, this is the thing for her, correct? This is what she has given. Why you choose this university, Chandigarh University? Why so low marks in 10th? If you are a banker, how would you? Not this. This is not hers, na? ये उनका नहीं है, ये तो पहला दिन का है ना. I think this
No,
is
sir, this is
Rajul.
not hers.
This is
Yeah.
Rajul's. So where did she send?
She had
Where?
sent you personally, I guess.
No, but personally means I think yes, she sent it here.
Yeah,
Or
here on the WhatsApp.
maybe in another number.
Yeah.
Maybe she is 98167. Yeah. It must be available in another number. Correct. Yeah. So that is given here. Where is that? WhatsApp. Nine eight 167. Yeah. Yeah. These are the questions that were asked to this candidate. What is this? She has sent it like this. Now I have to copy image, then paste it here. Copy image, then paste it here. Yeah, got it. So the questions that have been asked for this candidate are given on the screen now. Introduce yourself, about your marks. How will you manage a new role of banking? That is, as probationary officer, how will you manage this role? What do you know about banking? How will you manage to bring 10 accounts in 1 hour? That is too much here. In
Sir,
1 hour.
these things are not visible, sir.
Pardon? Oh, not, I'm not shared.
Yes.
So how will you manage to bring 10 accounts in 1 hour? That is too much, Baba. How do banks generate profit apart from basic lending activities? This is routine question. What if you are posted away from your house? Routine question. About hobbies, routine. About strengths, routine. Questions from faculty ground, routine. Where did you see yourself? Routine. When did you first hear of Federal Bank? About internship. All the questions are 100% routine question except this one. How will you manage to bring 10 accounts in 1 hour? Even I don't know. How will I bring? I will say
So
I
she
can't.
answered it.
How did she answer it?
She answered it that I will manage to bring them from my family side. Like I will ask my family and friends to do this as soon as possible because they are the ones who can like do this on this occasion.
That is
That was
right.
a smart.
That's a good answer. And if there are 10 people in their house, it's okay. Otherwise, She could have also used my own friends, class friends. I will ask them to open an account, or my colony mates. I will ask them to open an account. But in 1 hour, how it is possible is nowadays we can open account through online. So I will ask them to come online and then see that the accounts are open. It is possible. So now I am tempted to revise my answer. It is possible. The only way out is I will ask the people to open the account through online, Fedlight. Correct? So that is
Okay, sir.
how and by contacting them over phone, and it should not be a problem. And my own relatives, 4 or 5 people will come. My friends, 3 people will come. Then fourth and fifth, I will get from my friends. That's all. Something like that. For interview purposes, we can manage this. Practically, hoga, nahi hoga, Bhagwan jane. Understand? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So candidates, these are the questions that were asked for an MBA candidate from Chandigarh University. In this Chandigarh University, I don't know, they are asking for everybody, why did you choose this university? Because most of the candidates who are appearing for interview are from other states like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, then UP, Rajasthan, like that it comes. Maybe that is the reason why they asked like this. Very good. So any questions on this? This is what the questions given to that girl. What is her name? Vibhuti. And Vibhuti was introduced by Mugit only. And she was with me for only 2 days and her interview is over. And these are the questions that were asked for another candidate today from Kollam. So this is Trivandrum, MBA Business Management, Agriculture Business Management. She is from Kollam, so she was asked, Kollam is famous for what? That question I can appreciate. But next question, Kerala is famous for what? That is too much. Then introduce yourself, strengths and weakness. Then they asked what I have learned yesterday. Questions based on that. What I have learned yesterday means in the school or college. In the college, what did you learn? Then about CIBIL score. Then Sukanya Samriddhi. First time they have asked this scheme. First time this scheme has been asked. Sukanya Samriddhi scheme is a scheme of deposit to be opened in the name of girl children below the age of 10 years. And the minimum amount to be remitted every year is 250 rupees. Maximum is 1,50,000. That is per financial year, April to next March. The rate of interest paid is 8.2%. If there are more than 3 girl children in a family, only 2 accounts can be opened. And in the case of twins, I think they have some condition. Maybe the third account is also possible. And other schemes for women, other schemes for women, I think they are asking about the Mahila Samman Nidhi. Mahila Samman Nidhi, 7.5% interest, 2 years deposit. So perhaps that is what they have asked. And other girl candidates, do you have any idea about other schemes for women? Anybody else? Any girls? No girls here. Kajal is there. Kajal, Devika, you attended interview today?
No, sir, I have my
Hello.
interview.
You have only on which date? 5th, na?
Yes, sir.
But some other Devika sent me this question today. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe some other college. Doesn't matter. Whatever it is. But I thought you only sent it, so I made it as agri business management. So
No,
it is
sir.
not you are only agri business, na?
Yes, sir. I'm studying in Kerala Agriculture University.
Yeah. So this is wrong then. I don't know what is the qualification. think, yeah.
Sir,
Yeah,
whether these questions are asked for a PO candidate or clerical candidate, sir.
PO only. Today, now only PO is going on.
Okay, sir.
Now, all the candidates so far with me are only probationary officers. Only the DRAM you have joined today. You are the
Yes.
first clerical candidate for 2024.
Okay, sir.
You are the first candidate because they have been concentrating on the probationary officers all along. Now
Okay.
they are going for clerical, and you are the first candidate from that. No problem. All others are only officers. So these are the questions. And today share price has come down a little. Say about it has come down to 150. Of course, our Federal Bank share has not come down very much, but other shares have gone down very much. For example, the Sensex has come down by 1%. The Sensex is 72,304. It has come down by 1%, means 1% means how much? Nearly 700, na? Correct. 72,000 is the score now. Must be, it was 73,000 or so yesterday. It has come down. And similarly, in the case of Nifty, it has come down by 1.11%. There, I think the rate, it was only 22,000 something. Then 1% of that means maybe 200 or 300 points, whatever it is. But then newspapers have told that people have lost 6 crores. People have lost 6 crores. That's what one newspaper report I saw just today. And what is that? Business Standard and Economic Times, small cap investors. No, it is because the foreign people, they are withdrawing funds. The news here is Byju's US lenders invoke parent company's guarantee in insolvency proceedings. The National Company Law Tribunal on Wednesday told Byju's to respond to two separate insolvency petitions filed against the troubled ed tech firm, US lenders, and the Board of Control of Cricket in India. Byju's lenders in the matter of involving Glass Trust. The tribunal has issued a notice to the embattled ed tech firm. It also gave Byju's parent Think and Learn 3 weeks to file its response to the petition. Kerala people, you must be knowing about this Byju's Ravindran. He is the person who started that company Byju's. It was doing very well. In fact, he was paying very good salary for his employees and all. Subsequently, of course, later on, he terminated a lot of people, and the company is in problem because they are not able to meet their liabilities. The dispute with BCCI is, in a separate case, BCCI counsel told National Company Law Tribunal that Byju's has not yet paid the pending due of rupees 158 crore. Oh, Baba. Because, some of the matches they sponsored, I think that was a wrong decision. Simply by sponsoring that matches, he is not going to get more number of students and all. Maybe that has resulted in problem. The council claimed that Byju's has already deducted tax at source that against invoices that it received from BCCI, but never paid the invoice amount to the cricket board. Never paid the amount to the cricket board. The tribunal on Wednesday provided time for BCCI's counsel to submit judgments that the cricket-related governing body would rely on to strengthen the petition, and Byju's counsel to file a comprehensive reply after that. So this is the See, they are telling about his shareholding. Byju's and Riju Ravindran, they hold about 23% shares in that company. But of course, let us not bother about it much. Let us know that there is some problem with Byju's company and some insolvency petition has been filed against the company. That much will do. And when in case for current affair also, you can use this information briefly. Now, I will go to this one. Here, one of the candidates from our group attended Patna. Her name is Anamika, and she did an excellent interview with us also. It is there on our YouTube. She was asked, "Aapne post graduation kyun nahi kiya?" Why did you not do post graduation? Because she has done only BA English. आप कैसे सारी sell करते हैं? Perhaps she never told this to me. It seems she has told them, and so they have asked this. कोई बैंक में आया तो आप कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे उसको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट सेल करना है? Supposing some customer comes to the bank, how will you decide which product is to be sold to him? एक रिटायर्ड बैंकर को आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट सजेस्ट करेंगे? What product will you suggest for a retired banker? Then it seems they asked about negotiable instrument, how GST is filed, who is your role model? I think this is not the candidate I am referring to because there is no question of English given here. For her, they asked one English question also. Maybe I have not transferred that question into this one. This is, let us go to 2023. See, now, of course, the interviews are becoming very much like what I can tell you. See, based on they test your ability. No, see, I am searching a long one. This one, Anamika. Hello, I am giving this. This is the candidate who I was telling you. She was a very bright candidate. Only she has studied BA English, but how nicely she was answering my questions. And I told she will get selected provided she scores good marks in the written test. So this candidate has come out. She has sent the questions. So these are the questions that were asked. What is your name and the meaning behind it? Anamika. I asked her in the mock interview, how many siblings do you have and what do they do? Why do you want to join banking while your brother is a data scientist? You should have done something else. What is the importance of history of Giridih, my hometown? Some cross questioning from it. You are from English literature. Tell me, who was Silo? I don't know. Anybody knows who is Silo? Anybody knows? Anybody knows who was Silo? Is it Shylock? Is it Shylock that comes, Sherlock Holmes? Shiloh. What is Shiloh? Shiloh is a decentralized communication data exchange network. No. They are not asking about this. They are asking about some character in a, say, a literature. Then how many states in India is there and new union territory? Can anyone answer me this question? Muhammad Azhar. How many states are there in India and which is the new union territory? Muhammad Azhar. Muhammad Azhar. Kajal? Kajal, can you tell me? Devika,
So
can you
she has messaged you
what happened?
in she
Uh,
has messaged in the chat.
her internet is not all right.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I am in lab. I can't speak more. I'm listening. Sir, you are
Wh-
asking to Jammu, Kashmir, and Ladakh, two new union territories.
No, Ladakh was there earlier, no?
Um,
Ladakh was there earlier. Only Jammu Kashmir was the new one. See, as it is,
okay, okay.
we have 8 union territories and 28 states. Jammu Kashmir was a new one. Ladakh was there long back. 7 union territories were there. The 8th one was added. Okay, Kajal, where are you now? Lab?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इतना रात में लैब का अंदर में क्या करेगा आप? हाँ? पागल है?
Sir,
बोलना.
we have to stay.
अच्छा, compulsory.
Yes, sir.
You are studying in which college?
Sir, NIT Warangal.
Oh, NIT Warangal. Babre, bab. No, it is like our school in, there is one school in Vikas school in near E Road, Namakkal and all, where the candidates will have to get up at 4:30 in the morning, then start telling prayer, then start reading, then go for the exercise, then come again for the class, then again come home, come to the room, start reading again. Arey Baba, like a machine you have to do. And uh, which lab are you staying now? Is it chemistry lab?
Yes, sir. Chemistry lab only.
But be careful. In your anxiety, do not put some acid on yourself. Okay? Huh?
No, no, sir. I'm not working with acid.
Which is the very concentrated acid. Which acid is more concentrated? That means it will, supposing it is put on our hand, it will
Nitric and HCl also.
HCl. Is it
Sir,
not is it not sulfuric acid?
H2SO4, nitric also there, sir, and HCl also.
Hydrochloric acid. But normally, I think people used to say sulfuric acid is the more dangerous one also. Anyway, I may be wrong. Doesn't matter.
No,
No
no, sir,
problem.
you are true only.
Yeah. Then asked about character FUNSUK Wangdu from Three Idiots. Acha, acha, acha. That movie. What marks you are expecting in mains? Because in this IBPS, they require marks in the mains also. How many other bank interviews you have taken? What is KYC? Who can answer this? Abhishek Rath. Abhishek Rath, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
What is
Sir,
KYC? Talk to me
sir,
for
KYC.
1 minute on that.
Yes, sir. KYC is basically an abbreviated form of know your customer, in which bank, in which the customer has to provide details, details like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and the electricity bill, so that the bank can verify the details and can open the accounts in the bank, and or to provide, or before providing a loan to the customer, the bank can um, check the KYC.
Hmm. You have to mention important point. This is done as a mandate. It is a mandate for the banks to do it. RBI has made it compulsory for banks to do it. That point you have to tell. Number 2,
Okay.
this is done in order to verify the bona fide and identity and address proof of the individual. Could you follow? These are the
Yes, sir.
important points to be highlighted In the case of KYC, you must also remember the 6 documents that have to be given, like passport, driving license, Aadhaar card, PAN card, MGNREGA card, then voter ID. Any one of the documents have to be given for identity, and for address proof, Aadhaar card is taken and driving license is taken as address proof. Also, the passport, also that voter ID, they will be taken as address proof. Otherwise, if PAN card only is given, for address proof, you have to bring, say, ration card, they will not accept. You have to give the latest telephone bill or electricity bill. Then next question, what is required to open a bank account? I think I have already answered this question. What is that one document that has all the information required? What is the answer for this?
Aadhaar card, right, sir?
Normally we say Aadhaar card, but even your passport has it. Even your driving license has it. But somehow we rely on Aadhaar card. And I think your MGNREGA card, whether it will have MGNREGA, I have not seen that card. That's a problem. Then apart from the questions, some conversation, jokes were also there. They even complimented me a few times. They were really friendly and welcoming. So this is the candidate, she has done that interview with us. I don't know, it must be there online, that she was a English graduate. So she did a good job. This girl did a good job. And there is one more girl, Unati. She also did a good job. But I think for Unati, they asked some tough questions. So I don't know. Some problem is there. Maybe this is Unati's pata nahi. So this is what it is. Now, anybody else, any questions you have in mind? Now, can anyone answer me this question? How banks are earning profit? Devika, this question can be asked to you in Federal Bank. How banks are earning profit?
Yes, sir. Sir, I guess it's difference between the interest given to customers and interest taken from them. I don't know, sir. I'm not sure.
No. You told the correct answer, but then suddenly by telling, I guess, that is first negative word. I don't know is second one, irrelevant word at this place. So whenever we speak, we should talk with confidence. You told it correctly. So instead, I have suggested you, banks earn profit. First of all, you can tell them, banks get their income basically from interest on loans. They also get service charges for bank assurance services, mutual fund products, wealth management advisory services. Apart from this, banks get income by way of interest on loans, interest on securities, and say dividend on shares invested by them. The profit is earned by virtue of the net interest margin. That is, the net interest margin is the difference between the average interest earned by bank on its lendings and the average interest bank is paying for its deposits. So this is the basic source for the profit of the bank. Apart from this, the earlier points I told, bank assurance, then mutual fund products, then wealth management advisory charges, then securities interest, then dividend on shares invested. When these are also added, it increases the profit. Do not confuse by thinking that bank gets income only from that source. That is the difference in interest paid. That is one major, but there are other sources also. Okay, good. Next question. How you can assess a bank's strength? It's a very tough question for non-commerce candidates. How will you assess a bank's strength? The one easy answer is for CRAR, capital risk weighted asset ratio will tell us about the standing of the bank. Of course, people decide about a bank after going through the balance sheet of the last 3 years to check whether that bank has been earning profit continuously and its profit is increasing. Okay, that also can be told. Next one, what is liquidity? Liquidity means ability to pay money when a liability is due. Could you follow? Ability to pay a liability when it is falling due. For example, most of the bank employees, if you see nowadays, they will all be having loan of 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs and all that because they would have bought housing loan. But if you ask them to pay on the same day, they cannot pay. But as per housing loan document, they have to pay only whatever is due for that month. EMI, equated monthly installment. That only he must be able to pay. If a person is not having money in his hand to pay for the EMIs due or the liabilities due immediately, he is said to be in tight liquidity or short. I mean, his liquidity is not good. So this is what the answer for that. But of course, banks are also in the same position. Sometimes they run short of funds. That is why, banks are offering for 444 days, 8.5% interest. Banks are offering higher rate of interest and all that. That is the reason. Good. Next question. What are current assets? Who can answer me this? Any commerce student is there? What are current assets? Devika, can you tell me what are current assets?
So current ratio is current asset by current liability.
That is right. I am asking what are current assets?
Sorry, sir.
Current assets. Anybody else? Any commerce? Any MBA?
Sir, current assets are the assets which can be converted into cash through liquidation or within like 1 year date.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Current assets are those assets which can be converted to cash easily or within a period of 1 year. Example, the balance in the bank, the sundry debtors, because they are expected to be received within next 1 year. Sundry debtors. These are in the case of companies, these are the current assets. Or maybe some sundry loans given by us to others. Whereas in the case of bank, the balance the bank has kept with Reserve Bank of India or with other banks, and also the loans and advances it has given to customers. They are treated under current assets, though the major chunk of them may be due for payment only after 1 year and all. In the case of housing loan given for 20 years, the only 1 year installment can be demanded within that 1 year. However, it is included under that, but then normal definition of current asset is any asset which is convertible into cash within a period of 1 year. The major example is sundry debtors and the balance available in our account with the other banks. Very good. Next one. What is current ratio? Devika told correctly. Current assets divided by current liabilities into 100, but that's not required. If current assets by current liabilities. Correct. If current liability is less than current asset, it is good. Then how you mention it in a balance sheet? I don't know. Can anyone answer me this? How you mention current ratio in a balance sheet? I don't know. I have not heard about it so far. How you mention current ratio?
Sir, these questions will be asked from non-commerce background also.
No, not really. No. No, only for commerce students. What is the balance sheet current ratio formula? How do you find a balance sheet current ratio? The balance sheet current ratio can be found by dividing a company's total assets in total liabilities. That's all. It is not shown in any way separately. That's what I was thinking. It is not shown in any way separately. Okay, that's right. Now, next one. What is it I have to do? I am going into. Let me go for some our Federal Bank questions. Okay, Federal Bank questions. Federal Bank. Devika,
Yes, sir.
please tell me a number from 20 to 40.
30.
30. So you are taking average, huh? 30. These are the questions asked. Devika, please read.
Yes, sir. Brief intro. Why banking? Some achievement, family background, educational background. Why you think fit for the role?
So how will you answer this, Devika? Why you think you are fit for the role?
Sir, I have done my graduation in BSc Honors Agriculture and now I am doing my MBA. I have done that my graduation in Assam Agriculture University, Assam. I am from Kerala. I have traveled to most of the states, so I can easily mingle with people and with other cultures. And as well as I do my duties with duties and responsibilities within time. I try to complete it. I complete it, and I am sure that I will do all the duties given to me. That's why I think I am fit for the role.
Why did you go all along? I think I asked you. Go to Assam all the way. Huh? Tell me, ma.
Yes, sir. So,
Where, is it Central University?
sir, it's a it's not Central University, sir, but it comes under ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research.
Or the fees lesser than normal
Yes, sir.
private college? Oh, very
7,000 per semester.
Bus?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Baba, nowadays LKG also is charging more than this. Very good. I am happy. Good.
Yes.
7,000 only. Good. Now, who is going to answer this question? Kajal? Kajal? Kajal, Kajal, Kajal. Hello, Kajal. Are you there online? I think our internet is not all right. Muhammad Azhar. Muhammad Azhar. Muhammad Azhar. Abhishek Rath. GB. Hello, am I audible or not? Am I audible
Yes,
or not? Then why people are not answering? Who
sir,
answered
I
now?
have a doubt, sir.
Huh?
Sir,
Acha,
I have a
acha.
doubt.
Yeah, Kajal told she is in a lab, so no problem. Yeah, Devika, tell me.
Sir, my grades are falling continuously from 10th standard till PG. So what
Yeah,
should I answer, sir?
they will ask you. They will ask you why the grade is coming down. But I see, after allowing the marks to come down and you ask me to explain it, how can I explain it? Huh? There is no justification for this.
Yes, sir.
Like he says, supposing one fellow comes and says, I have killed some other person, come on, rescue me. So how can he be rescued? But a lawyer has to do it. That is a different story. Here, what we can do is maximum. You tell me honestly, what was the reason why the mark has been coming down? What was 10th class mark?
So it was 95% full A plus.
Oh, great. Then 12th,
12th it was 90.40%.
not bad. It is okay. Anything about 90. Then what about degree?
So it is 83.1%.
They cannot ask you because you are not been coming down to 60. Some candidates have been coming down to 62, 63 and all that. Then only they ask you. But even here, if they ask you, you can see that the syllabus was very tough and I tried my best to score marks. However, this is the mark I could score. That's all. And tell that without any feeling of guilty. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. GB, are you there online? GB. The
Hello.
people's, yeah, GB, tell me.
Yes, sir.
GB, you are from which college?
Vellore, VIT Vellore.
VIT Vellore. VIT Vellore, you are from Kerala, na?
Yes, sir.
You want this job?
Sure, sir.
Then you must talk.
Okay.
You are hiding yourself behind the scene will not help you. You have
Yes.
to talk. Please tell me why do you think you are fit for this role?
Okay, sir. Uh, the role of junior management grade 1 is a place where we need to contact with customers regularly. I was part of National Service Scheme as well as NCC, which made me indulge with the capability of dealing with people and the leadership quality as well. And I was also part of National Student Science Congress, which made me to organize a meeting, and I was a team player everywhere. So in a situation which is in demand of such kind of skills, and this role definitely demands all these skills, and by analyzing all these, I know I will fit for the roles.
Okay. Mohit Sharma, are you fit for this role?
Yes, sir, definitely I'm fit for this role, as I have opted the course from the Bajaj Alliance that is for exclusively for banking activities. And also, I have an internship at Axis Bank, which has made me to understand about the banking operations, the products, and their modus of operandi. And I am very much patient and persistent at my work. which is very which I think is like good for the progressive growth of the bank and for my career too. Thank you, sir.
Good. Mohammed Azhar, can you speak? You are going for Federal Bank only, na? Azhar? Mohammed Azhar, I think he is not able to listen. Then what about our this boy has just now joined. Will you be able to talk? Kabiram, பேச முடியுமா?
Yes, sir.
சொல்லுப்பா.
Yes, sir. I have a qualification in electrical and electronics degree. Apart from that, I know the basic rules and what is going on in bank. As a clerical officer, I can do all those stuffs. So I think I am eligible for this role.
Acha, for your clerical role, it is slightly different. 1 minute. For clerical role, it is different. I'll show you that. Clerical role, job role. Clerical job role. This is the job role, but more or less similar. And what is given by the bank. Now, Mr. Kaviram, first clerical candidate for 2024. Please read what is
Sir,
given
the
on the
screen
screen.
is not visible.
Acha,
Sir.
good, good. See how I commit this mistake. Yeah, come.
Yes. Front-end customer-facing role to meet the expected standards of external and internal customer service rendered by the branch by ensuring process standardization, timely service, inculcation of a customer-centric
Hello,
role.
what is this word? Inculcation.
Inculcation, sir. Okay.
Inme English
Incul-
nalla. Hereafter, you must talk in correct English. You must pronounce correctly. This
okay,
is
sir.
the basic criteria for success. Please read.
Okay, sir. Of customer-centric inculcation of customer-centric culture and strong operational controls in accordance with the quality standards of the bank. Customer acquisition, augmentation of para-banking income, and assisting the team in achieving all the business targets of the bank. Ensuring customer delight by personally attending the customer who visit the branch and assisting them with banking operations and functions. Providing financial solution to customer to find an appropriate banking product as per their need and requirement, to meet and exceed their expectations by offering assistance through cross-selling of banking and third-party products. Handling retail operations of the branch, example sales and processing of liability and asset products, cash operations management, front office management, issuance of demand draft, ATM cards, checkbooks, etc. Working towards achieving business targets of branch as well as the assigned individual targets by continuously enhancing and upgrading the relationship with customers, meeting prospective customer and adding to the existing client base, assisting in digital transformation by promoting various digital products offered by the bank among the customers, liaison with the senior officials peers at the branch and ensure that the day-to-day operations of the branch are very well executed diligently, adhering and complying with various audit and quality norms standards of the bank, develop a learning culture for the self and others by consistently updating with various policies of the bank and trends emerging in global financial market. Any other work allotted from time to time as per the administrative requirements of the bank.
Yeah. In fact, if you look at the that is given in the folder given that will be given to you.
I
The
have seen this one.
yeah, role is more or less same one. Role is more or less same. Only thing is the responsibilities may be slightly lesser. They may not ask you to bring 2 lakhs as they are asking for the bankers, for the officers, they may tell a lower amount, 1 lakh or so. But whatever it is, you should try to be good to your officers, your manager, and you must try to attempt whatever work is given to you. Go out along with officers if they call you for canvassing of deposits or recovery of advances and all that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. So what is the time now? 9:25. Any other 5 minutes time? Is there any questions? Anybody? Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, will there be any special question to married candidates?
Yes.
Uh,
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
When were you married?
Sir, in 2021.
What is your husband doing? Hello? GB. GB, are you with your husband or not?
Sir, it's not me, it's Devika.
Pardon, Devika. Devika, it's a
Yes,
Devika.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Devika. So tell
Yes, sir.
me, what is your husband doing?
Sir, he is mechanical engineer and he is working in ship as QC, quality control.
Acha, I think you told me. I must have asked you. Now, Devika, do you have babies?
No, sir.
And is your husband in favor of your joining the bank?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He is very supportive.
What will you do if we post you to a northern city like Chandigarh? How will you manage?
Okay.
Because your
Uh,
husband is in the sea. You are going to be in Chandigarh. So how
yes, sir.
will you manage?
And now also we are living separately only. I am in hostel and he is in ship. That's why it won't be a problem, sir.
It's really ironical. I think in Kerala, many marriages take place like this, with a person in the ship and a girl on the land. No? That's the, I don't know. I'm not trying to make a comment on that. So you have no objection in your being transferred to any part of the country.
No, sir.
Will you be serving even after getting baby?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Then it's all right. No problem. Like that only some questions will come. And
sir.
yeah, is your in-laws supporting this? You're joining like
Yes,
that?
sir. They are also very supportive.
Very good. That's all. Good. Anybody else? Any other question? Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
how they will ask for in case of I am an engineer, and how can you add values to the bank if you got selected?
That is what normally you must have heard seen in some videos where I used to tell while studying in the engineering college itself, we are told about how to deal with people, how to lead others, how to guide others, and how to solve problems and develop the ability to get along with others. So with all that skills and with the ability to learn things quickly, I will learn what is assigned to me and I will perform my duties well.
Okay,
That's all.
sir. Sir,
What
any other questions specially asked for in case of I'm an engineer?
No, they will certainly ask you, why are you coming here after studying engineering here? You have
Yes.
to tell them there are no jobs for engineers. There are no suitable jobs. Even if jobs are offered, salary offered is low. And even salary offered is low, there is no job security. But that point, you don't bring it unnecessarily. They will think you want job security, that's why you are coming. So don't tell it initially. Initially,
Okay, sir.
tell there are not sufficient job opportunities, not much of placement is going on in our core companies, and the salary offered is low. This will do.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Bye. We will meet tomorrow at same time, 8:30.
Okay, sir.
And for Kaviram, I will send the materials now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sir,
Acha, Devika,
materials.
Devika,
sir.
Devika,
Yes, sir.
Devika, you want only one interview or you want 2 interviews?
Sir, two.
You have already taken one or not?
No, sir, I haven't taken any
Then,
mock interview session.
then which date you want first interview?
Uh, sir, on third.
I
On
have
fourth.
given third one already, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want another one on 4th?
Yes, sir.
4th, 3:30 p.m. Okay for you?
Uh,
College is
sir,
there.
yes, sir, I have class till 4.
What about 3rd? I have given you 3:50.
Third is Sunday, sir.
Oh. Then
Yes, sir.
3:30. Then you have class till 4 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Then I will make it 4:50.
Yes, sir.
Your second interview is on 4th, 4:50 p.m.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please note.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, materials வச்சு எப்படி சார் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும் ஏதாவது ஒரு
அது
ஐடியாஸ்?
வந்து there is a video
Okay,
which
sir.
will tell about what are the important things you have to study.
Okay, sir.
So அது வந்து 17th என்னமோ போட்டிருக்கேன் ஒரு வீடியோ.
Okay,
அத
sir.
பாத்தீங்கன்னா உனக்கு ஐடியா கிடைச்சிடும்.
Okay, sir.